Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete documents from files on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Now, if you're in the Files app and there are certain documents in there, or there's just a lot of space being taken up in your files and documents and data, all of that stuff in that Files app, I'm going to show you how to delete it. Now, it's a default Apple app called Files, so if you don't have it, just hop into the App Store and download and install it. But I'm just going to swipe over the app library here, and I'm going to search for Files here and type on Files. So you can see I have a couple different options. One is on iCloud Drive, or if I wanted to find a document on my iPhone, I can tap on my iPhone. You can see here I have a little PDF. I can just tap and hold on it, and then at the very bottom I can just hit that delete button. That will delete out this document from Files app. Keep in mind, even though you go through this process, it doesn't fully permanently delete it because it will just go into this recently deleted folder. So you'll need to go in here again and tap and hold on any of these different ones and hit delete now to permanently delete them from Files app. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.